This fourth-generation generic Starlink Mini Kit delivers genuinely fast satellite broadband that feels close to a wired home connection in many supported areas. The compact phased array antenna and integrated Wi-Fi router make the kit easy to carry and quick to deploy for camping, road trips, and remote work. Global region unlocking means you can activate and use the system in many different countries without dealing with extra access fees or complicated add-ons. Travelers in recreational vehicles will appreciate that the hardware is built to handle life on the road with a design that tolerates vibration and frequent setup and teardown. The included stand and mounting hardware give enough flexibility to aim the dish for a strong signal, even when space or line of sight is limited. Overall, the combination of portability, worldwide usability, and consistently high throughput makes this kit a strong choice for staying connected far from conventional networks.